What's up? It's your girl Reese and welcome back to my space. If you're new here, happy to have you. And if you're old OG, thank you for rocking with me for another week. Today, I'm going to show you guys what I bought at the winter sale. Some of you guys here probably know that I'm a big sale gal. I love my sales. So some of these things I'm not sure if I'm going to keep yet because they weren't exactly what I wanted, or they weren't on my wish list. You know, I have a designer wish list that I created at the beginning of the year with all the things that I do hopefully want to buy this year. But none of these things were really on there, so I don't know if they're gonna stay or if they're not gonna stay, but I'll show you guys anyways. So we'll start with clothes, and this is something I'm definitely keeping. I already wore it to work the other day and I loved it. So this is a pleated kind of sheer beige and green blouse by Equipment. And this guy is from last season and I got it at Winners for $50 or $60. And I think that's so good. I mean, it's beautiful quality. What did it say it was? Remember, fabrics are important. Oh no, it's polyester. Okay, so polyester for 50 bucks is not that bad, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful blouse, and I paired it with the green colored trousers. I'll post the picture here. I thought it was really, really cute. I love it. It's going to be definitely a go-to for work. You guys probably see this in my workwear video. Okay, so next on the list is another blouse, or tank top, I guess, yeah. This tank top, and this is by Alexander Wang. Yeah, super cute. And it's in this like baby blue color, and I'm trying to inject color into my wardrobe, and I saw a bunch of like spring summer shows and these pastel colors are so in, so I thought this would be really adorable, maybe with some white pants or even with some blue jeans when it comes time for the summer months. And this was $100 and it was on sale from $400, so it wasn't bad. I mean, it's kind of steep for a tank top, but let's see what you're made of. Polyester, oh my god, just bare polyester, but whatever. I think it's adorable. Kind of steep for a tank top, but whatever. We're rocking with it. Okay, next up on the docket is the handbag. So I took some videos of the stuff that I saw when I was there. When I was looking at the handbags, I'm not a big handbag girl. I actually was hoping I'd find a pair of shoes, but I didn't find anything, unfortunately. So handbags, there was a ton of Gucci, YSL, Chloe, a little bit of Fendi. I think that's the bulk of it. I mean, there was like one-offs here and there, so I bought a one-off. This bag, I think it's the Marni trunk bag. Lord. It is actually saved on my Essence wish list in a brown color, but they had it in this white and green color, and I'm not convinced with the green. I think if it was like white and beige, I'd be like, oh my god, yeah, let's just keep this. I'll show you the bag that I have in my wish list. It's super neutral, but I'm like, is this neutral with the green sides? Plus, it's not a big bag. You guys know I'm a big bag kind of girl. So this is like much smaller. The insides, I mean, there's a ton of compartments. There's extra straps to make the bag longer, like you can wear it as a crossbody or over your shoulder. No dust bag, because you know the nature of shopping sale. It's cute. I mean, it's cute. It's in my wish list on Essence. It's not on my designer wish list this year, but you know, it's one of those like, oh, if it goes on sale, maybe I'll buy it. I will let you know what the cost of it is on Essence. It is $2,000, $2,035 on Essence. Here it was priced at $1,500. So that's a huge sale. It's 500 bucks. It's not the color I wanted, so I'm not sure if this guy is gonna stay and then I'm gonna kibosh the idea of getting the brown one. I don't know for sure yet, but I mean, it's cute. Yeah, I mean, I think buying this and seeing this, because I haven't seen that Marni bag in person, I like it. I would like it in the brown color. I think it would be like cute neutral over the crossbody on like a cool trench or something. Like I think that would be perfect for that, but this I'm not 100% convinced of yet. But yeah, this was the bag find that I had. Nothing else really tickled my fancy. Okay, next, sunglasses. So these are some Chloe shades, and I'm just looking for a pair of really cool sunglasses. I have a pair of Bluboho on my wish list this year, but these kind of looked cool. But now I'm not sure. Do I look like a bug? Are they cool? We don't know. I don't know the name of these. I feel like I look like a humongous bug. So I don't know. But the price was pretty damn good. It was $100. All the sunglasses there are $100. I saw the Dior, I can't remember the name of them, but they were so popular a couple years ago. Those were like $600 when it was retail, and they were there for $100 too. So like there was a ton of good sunglasses deals, just nothing that really was like, yeah, I need that in my life. So this, still not sure. All right, next up on docket is this ridiculous visor. But I mean, there was one, I reached for it before another guy reached for it, so I was like, no, let me buy it just in case I actually turned to like it. I don't know where the hell I would wear this. I'm not like hype beast. I wish I was, because it's so cool. Like I love that people can do that, but that's not my style. So I feel like this would be way better for someone who is hype beast, but maybe someone in my family wants to buy it, so they can give me money for it. But it was $100, and I don't know what the retail price is. Hold on. Okay, they're $465 for this visor, and like, don't know how it would be worn. I don't think it's for me, guys. I don't know, like maybe on vacation with like a cute black one-piece bikini. I don't know. I'm not sure. I look like I'm going to bingo or something. Do you wear visors at bingo? Or is that something else? I don't know, I'm terrible. I'm terrible. So yeah, this was $100 and retail price is $465, so this is quite a deal, not gonna lie. Okay, and my last thing, which is what this is what we came for. This was not on my wish list, but I was like, hello, you are beautiful, and why not? Why friggin' not? So the retail price of this right now, I believe, is $1,200 or $1,300. Hold on. Okay, so it's $1,200. I found it for $700 or $800. Oh, that's not even a good deal, but these don't go on sale, do they? But hello to this cute little Rimowa carry-on luggage. How stinking adorable are you, and how luxe are you? So I mean, like I said, I wasn't really going in looking for anything. I was trying to find a pair of shoes, but I feel that aside from the clothes, I'm probably gonna keep this guy because it's cute, it's adorable. And I like how it opens. It doesn't have the zipper, which I despise. It just opens and the inside looks like this, and it's friggin' adorable. I love it. I love it. But it doesn't match all the rest of my black suitcases. So yeah, anyways. Whew. Okay, so that's it for me. That's all I found at sale season this year, winter sale season this year. Did you guys go? Because in all the comments in my last video, I was like, hello, it happens X, Y, and Z, and you guys should check, you guys should go. Let me know if you went. Let me know if you found stuff. Let me know from the B-roll footage that I posted up here what you have, or what you would have bought that I didn't buy. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.